Hey viewers, we are back with another video. Hope you're all doing great and welcome back to our channel Techno Qasim. So guys, are your videos too large to upload on WhatsApp, Instagram and YouTube, or your phone storage getting full because of heavy videos? So guys, today I found a powerful app that can compress, resize and edit your videos in a few seconds. And yes guys, it works directly on your mobile. So guys, for this video, please watch till end. And also guys, this video is only made for educational purpose. We are not the financial advisor, so always do your own research first and then invest. Now guys, I can show you my mobile screen where I will tell you how this works and a total procedure. So guys, watch now. So now guys, in the left corner you will see a mobile screen where I will tell you the all steps how we can use the applications and what is the total procedure. So guys, first of all you can check out the video application called Video Resizer and Compressor. Guys, in this video I will tell you where you can reduce video size, change resolution, convert formats and even edit your videos easily. First of all guys, you can search on a Play Store called Video Resizer and Compressor. That is easy. You will see application link. I will also provide the link in the description. First of all guys, you can check out and you can simply install the app or open it in your mobile phone. Then guys, simply you can check out the ratings as well. Many people have rated guys good, almost 4.5 guys. The rating is here. You can simply open it and continue. Click on the continue button. You can reduce the size if your video is called 500 MB. You can simply compress with 50 MB video. You can check out the all features of their applications like video converter, image, video to image, video resizer. That is all available to you. And in the first section you can check out the resize video is also available to you. So that is a good thing. You can check out, and you can check out the blur video as well, the video filter as well. That is the total features of applications are guys showing on the first section. You can check out the all the things here. Guys, in the first video you can check out if your video is too long. You can simply search any kind of video. So let me guys add any kind of video here. You can simply guys resize the video as well. You can check out the format like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook. You can simply convert the video into perfect size that needed to be guys for the different kind of apps. So guys, you can simply guys resize as well. You can simply change their width as well, their height as well, without guys dropping the video quality. The quality will remain same, but the size will be reduced. That is the good thing that is here. Simply guys, you can simply write any kind of size you needed and width you needed. That will be perfect for your guys applications like social media, TikTok or Instagram. That is a good thing here. Now guys, you can see the large video is available to me, almost 37 minutes. That is a big video, or that the size is too large. So let's convert the size in to lower. Now guys, I will select the medium size where the good quality has given to you, the small file is given to you. Simply you can guys customize the things as well. So guys, let's choose the resolutions here. Different kind of resolutions are given to us. You can check out, and guys the medium large things are given also given in the applications. So guys, you can also change their guys format like 30. Choose the frame rate. You can simply check out the video encounter. You can check out the guys video size as well. So let's guys process the video. It only takes a few seconds to be proceed, and then guys you can check out after compressing how much the size will be guys given to us. That is the good thing. You can simply check out the video, and then guys you can check out all the things here. So that is the video guys. You can check out the video is converting. The size of the video will be reduced. I will show you how much the size guys then will be given. You can also video to image, convert your video into images, different kind of images. That is the thing guys available here on Video Resizer and Compressor applications. the video will convert into different kind of images that are possible through the videos. The photos will be HD and the high quality photos. You can check out all the things. So that is a good thing, guys. You can check out here, and the different kind of sections here. You can check out the video picker as well, where you can guys let me select any kind of video, where you can guys select video picker, choose you can choose the resolution, you can choose the FPS as well. You can guys convert the high FPS video here. That is the quickly response are given in the video. That is a guys good thing here, and the video will be guys perfect and HD format for your social media. If you are a content creator, then guys this is perfect for you. So the video you can check out is guys given is a different format. You can select the TikTok, Facebook and all the things. You can also merge the videos here, different kind of videos. You can simply merge it in one thing, and then you can save in your gallery as well. The video will be merged, and simply guys you can also merge the different kind of videos. If the 5 videos, if the 10 videos, all you can simply merge guys into one video. So that is the good thing, guys, here available on this application. So guys that is the video. Hope you enjoy it. If you want the videos on these apps, also like and subscribe to my video. So guys let's meet in the next video, guys. Goodbye.